the Great India School. Today I am going to teach Chapter 2 of Class 7, Windows 7. Before starting this chapter, we should know what is Windows 7. Windows 7 is an operating system. An operating system is a program that acts as an interface between user of a computer and computer hardware. Windows has simplified the task of arranging data in a computer. The computer arranges this data in a form of file and folder. In Windows 7, we can store this file and folder in a document folder and Windows Explorer folder. Document folder provide a more convenient way to view this file and documents. Windows Explorer provide a way to organize, view and exploring this file. Windows Explorer show the directory structure which include directories, files and folder. Now we will discuss how to open Windows Explorer. In Windows 7 operating system, there are two ways to open a Windows Explorer. First, right click on the Start button, then select the option Open Windows Explorer. Now, second method, go to the Start button, then All Program, then Accessory. Now, click on the Windows Explorer option. Viewing file and folder. Windows provide many different ways to identify and organize your file and folder when you are viewing them. First, extra large and large icon. This will show gigantic and large icon of file and folder. This is very helpful when you are working with image and video file. Second, medium icon. It will display the file and folder in a medium size icon. Third, a small icon. It will display your file and folder in a small size icon without preview content. The fourth view is detail view. Detail view display the file and folder in a detail. Means it includes the name, size, type and date of modifier of a file. List view. List view show the file and folder in a form of list. Next, title. Title show the file and folder in a medium size icon with including a basic information like size and type of a file. Now, we will discuss about the control panel. Control panel is a system folder. By using this, we can change the appearance and current setting of the window. Control panel include personalization and appearance of the desktop. Second, internet and networking. Third, system and security and many more. Now we will discuss how we'll change date and time of our computer. For changing date and time, go to the date and time folder of a control panel. When you click on it, the date and time dialog box will be appear. Select current date from the calendar and click on the OK. It will change the date. Now for setting time, click on the time and enter the current time and click on OK. It will change the time. Now we will discuss what is font. The character used in typing text use same design are called font. We can use the font setting to display different font on the screen. In the control panel, we can use the font folder to add a new font and delete the existing fonts. On screen keyboard. Assume that you are doing some important work and all of a sudden your keyboard is stopped working. So, Windows provide the facility of on-screen keyboard. For open on-screen keyboard, go to the Start button, then click on the All Program, then Accessory, then Easy to Access, then On-Screen Keyboard. When you click on the on-screen keyboard, a keyboard is appear on your screen. By using mouse pointer, you can press any key of this keyboard. Changing the mouse setting. By using mouse folder available on a control panel, you can change the mouse setting. Like you can change the appearance of mouse pointer, you can change the function of mouse button, and you can change the speed of mouse. Avoid pressing two keys together. It is difficult for us to press 2 key or 3 key at a time. Windows provide sticky key. By using this facility, we can press one by one key of a group instead of pressing all key together. Sleep mode is a power saving mode. It will quickly resume full power when you start working again. It will save all your work in computer memory. Hibernation. Hibernation is a state in which computer is shut down, but it will save all work in a computer hard disk. And when you restart the computer, it will restore exactly the same as you left it. Hope this video is helpful for you to understand the chapter Windows 7. Thanks for watching this video.